Hello fellow entrepreneurs. I'm making this video because in meeting with others and just hearing other entrepreneur stories, I am highly motivated and inspired to know what precipitating event or what changes, what challenges led you to want to become an entrepreneur. It's definitely not a journey that everybody wants to take, and much like the image we are presented with of the carrot, seeming very small at the top, but there's large growth at the bottom, that is an entrepreneur. Over time, you see what has been cultivated or what's growing, and it definitely takes a lot of passion to reach the momentum of getting what it is you want business-wise. And I would love to know from other entrepreneurs, my fellow hustlers, what is it that has provided you with that drive to just possibly even leave corporate America, start your own business, and what that consists of. If you are brave or willing to share your vulnerabilities with us, your challenges, I would be forever grateful.